Hi, and welcome to another anatomy painting video. In this video, we'll be looking at the Sartorius and the role of that muscle and its attachment points. The Sartorius is an interesting muscle. It originates on the ASIS, that's the anterior superior iliac spine in the hip. It crosses over the anterior part of the thigh and it moves from lateral to medial and inserts within the pes anserinus tendon. The pes anserinus tendon is the point where the sartorius, the gracilis, and the semitendinosus meet, and they all share a tendon. The pes anserinus is Latin for the goose's foot, because the three muscles splitting off in different directions kind of looks a bit like a goose's foot. The Sartorius gets its name from its Latin roots. Sartor meaning tailor. And this is because tailors would have to sit with their legs crossed when working. Now, if you think about all the actions you'd need to create in order to cross your legs, and all of those would be created by the Sartorius. So we have flexion and external rotation of the hip, as well as knee flexion. The Sartorius can also assist with abduction of the hip, the movement that takes the leg away from the side. The final movement that the Sartorius can create would be knee rotation. When the knee is in a degree of flexion, it can rotate within its joint. This helps with something called the screw-home mechanism. Every muscle that attaches into the pes anserinus tendon will assist in medial rotation at the knee. Next, I went to work on the gracilis. The gracilis is actually one of the adductors of the hip, so it has a very different action to the Sartorius. However, I wanted to showcase the entirety of the pes anserinus tendon, so I had to paint this one on in order to show that, which we will in a moment. And there's the showcase for the full Sartorius. You'll notice I'm a little bit off with the origin point, but that's why I added the picture on there earlier. And then next we're going to look into the pes anserinus tendon, that meeting point of those three muscles, the goose's foot as it were. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.